Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, 26-inch, two-stage gas snow thrower from PowerSmart. The folks at PowerSmart were kind enough to send this my way. As you know, we get lots of snow here in the mountains of North Carolina in the wintertime. And with winter being about a month away from when I make this, well, I think it'll get some good use, let's put it that way. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a setup on this, and then later on when the snow falls, we'll film it doing a little bit of what it's known for, and that is pushing snow. We're going to blow some snow all over the yard and hopefully off the driveway. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. This is the 26. It's, I think, the biggest one they sell currently, and it's a beast. It came from FedEx and it weighed quite a bit. Getting it in and out of the truck was a bit to handle for one person. I managed to get it done. I'll say it was extremely well packed, but there is definitely, from looking at it, just a wee bit of setup involved in this. Oh, cool, it even has lights. All right, nice. Now this 26-inch model does come with a Briggs and Stratton engine, so that's kind of a cool upgrade. Some of the 24s come with their own brand of motors. But I'm a Briggs fan, and so it was nice to see that as an option. It's quite a piece of machinery when you really get a look at it. There's a lot of stuff going on here, so let me go ahead. I'll start pulling the insulation off of it, and we'll take a look. Clearly, there's going to be some setup here, and I'll walk you through that. All right, give me a moment here. I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions on this, see what we got to do to get it all set up and ready for its first use. And then I will be back and we'll start the assembly. Okay, the very first thing it wants us to do is install this bracket here. And it does tilt upward a little bit, so we're going to slide that. Each side has one nut provided. We're going to go ahead and install that. Those are 13, so I'll go ahead and tighten those down. Once we got that on, we've got to install our tires. Now these have shear pins and stuff that go with them, but you want to make sure that you put your valve stem facing out. So I'm going to rock this thing forward and slide this up until it slides on. Do the same on the other side. All right, once you've got it, you can't see this side, but I'm going to put my cotter pin through here, or my slide pin. I'll do the same thing on this side. Flip this side. It's a little hard to see here, but what I'm doing is got to line this like so, about like that. You've got these pins here, and then a cotter pin, and you just need to have that line up in a manner where you can slide it through there. There it is. Once you've got that lined up, you just put your cotter pin in place, like so. And that's the bulk of it. Now we're just going to attach our handle here, and we've got 4 nuts and bolts here that are going to go through and hold all that in place. Once you got all 4 of those started, go ahead and tighten them up. And these have to hook together with this. This is how our drive control works. Right now it's in the lock position, but I'll let that off. And up it comes, and now I can hook those in. And those should hook together. There we go. Like so. I'll do the same thing on this side. All right, we're getting down to the last step now. We're gonna go ahead and install the skids. Now I'm gonna be using this on gravel. So I want these skids to be pretty much all the way down. However, if you're using pavement, well, you can have them, and you can see there's quite a bit of adjustment there. I'll go ahead and put those in. And of course, you can always make adjustments to these after the fact. Like I said, for right now on my property, I'm gonna have them sitting pretty much all the way down. Well, that's it for setup. You do need to add oil. And it does come with exactly how much oil you need to add, so that's really kind of cool. So I'll go ahead and top this off with a funnel, and we'll be ready to go. I'll do a walk around here, and I'll show you some of the features and functions, how to operate it. And that's it, my friends. Let's take a walk around here. I'll show you the features and functions. I guess we'll start right here on this side. This does have an electric start. You simply plug an extension cord in, and there you go. So that's really nice. Of course, you do still have the pull start over here. And then you have your dipstick check right there. Up top, pretty good sized gas tank. The wheels are nice, heavy treads on those. I like that. And then back here, we'll take a look here. This is cool. How about that? How about heated handles. So that is really cool that it comes with that feature. Auger control here. It turns and stops turning the blades up front. Here's our drive control here. And then we do have headlights, which is also really nice, especially up here in the mountains where most of the stuff I do is well before the sun comes up. Then we have our speeds, and it does include reverse, so that's cool. Put it in neutral for right now. And then we have chute deflector, as we can move that up and down. You see that move? Cool. And then we also have here, this is where we're changing our angle. So you can shoot it to the left or to the right. On this side, controls for choke and run. And we have our primer bulb here for our fuel. I like how they've got the exhaust, you know, kind of hidden away, but put a cage around it to keep it from burning you. And then it's a little hard to see down there, but that right there is our oil drain. So if you want to do an oil change on it, you got that there. Here's our gas, turning on and off our gas, and then there's our speed control there. Not bad at all. Okay, come around to the front. You can see our adjustable skids are there, and here is our auger, 26 inches, and it looks pretty mean. Now the kit does come with 2 shear pins, or additional pins, and lock washers there, so if you hit something that's unmovable rather than damaging the transmission, those will shear, and you can just replace that and be back in business. And 26 inches, 250 cc's of Briggs and Stratton power, powering a 26-inch wide cut. So you're going to move through your property pretty quick with that big of a cut, no doubt. Oh yeah. Well, it looks great, and it won't be long before that big first snowfall happens here on the farm. So I look forward to checking it out in part 2. Till next time, my friends, take care.